This brand is from Carrier and is only available through authorized dealers in the USA and Canada. The units feature corrosion-resistant coils and 2-inch MERV 8 filters to clean the home's air. They offer an optional domestic hot water package and are backed by a good guarantee, but they use R410, a refrigerant which is not as earth-friendly as brands that use R32. The Performance Series HB models are premium units with a single-stage compressor and constant torque blower motor. They have a 21.7 ER efficiency, while the QuietComfort Series HP models have a 2-stage compressor, variable speed blower motor, and a 24.5 ER efficiency rating. The HP models have a compressor blanket for quieter operation and a 5-year no-hassle guarantee where the entire unit is replaced if the compressor or coils fail within 5 years of installation. The brand does not offer models that qualify for the HvacRepairGuy Basic and Ultimate categories. This brand receives an overall 4-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.